About plugins and theme installations. I occasionally get questions from clients who are trying to upload plugins or themes through their WordPress website and having difficulties. Well, WordPress Toolkit makes that a lot easier. So here's an example. Let's jump on over to your WordPress Toolkit dashboard and click on the Plugins menu option. Within the Plugins menu option, you'll see an Install button. Let's click that. And within the Plugins and Themes installer, you can go ahead and upload the plugin zip file if you happen to have it. Or if it's a common plugin or theme, you can go ahead and enter it into the search box. And the same for themes. It has its own little menu you can use as well. And there, the same concept. Just click on the Install button and go ahead and install the zip file for your theme, and or go ahead and choose one. And then click the Install button. That's all there is to it. Well, I hope you found this helpful. How to install plugins or themes with your WordPress Toolkit.